Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Long Sault is a small community in eastern Ontario located along the St. Lawrence River between Cornwall and Morrisburg. It is known for its peaceful atmosphere, open waterfront views, and easy access to parks and outdoor recreation. The community has a population of roughly 3,000 people, giving it a friendly and close-knit feel that appeals to both residents and visitors. The name Long Sault refers to a series of rapids that once existed in this part of the St. Lawrence River. These rapids were well known to Indigenous communities, explorers, and early travelers who navigated the waterway for centuries.
Thank you very much.
The area's long connection to the river has shaped its identity, from early settlement to modern development. A major turning point in the history of Long Sault came in the mid-20th century with the construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway and the Moses Saunders Power Dam. When the project was completed in 1958, the river rose and several nearby communities were intentionally flooded. These communities became known as the Lost Villages. Long Sault was one of the new towns built to relocate families and businesses affected by the project. Because of this unique history, Long Sault has a layout that reflects careful planning from the 1950s. The streets are wide, the neighborhoods are organized, and many of the homes date from the period when residents moved from the former villages. This gives the community a distinctive character compared to older towns in the region. Today, Long Sault is best known for its access to the Long Sault Parkway, a scenic chain of islands created when the river was flooded. These islands form a popular destination for camping, cycling, boating, and picnicking. The parkway stretches for several kilometers and offers views of the river that change with the seasons, making it a highlight for travelers exploring the region. The waterfront near Long Sault provides a calm setting where visitors can watch boats pass, enjoy the breeze from the river, or walk along open green spaces. The St. Lawrence River remains an important part of life here, connecting the community to both its past and its present. The combination of water, forest, and open sky gives the area a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. For visitors interested in history, the Lost Villages Museum, located nearby, preserves buildings, artifacts, and stories from the communities that were submerged. It offers a clear look at how the Seaway project transformed the region and how families adapted to their new surroundings. The museum helps explain why Long Sault looks the way it does today. The surrounding landscape includes farmland, forests, and stretches of open countryside. This mix of natural and rural scenery makes Long Sault a pleasant place for scenic drives, cycling routes, and quiet walks. The slower pace of life here is part of its appeal, especially for travelers who want to experience a peaceful corner of eastern Ontario. Although Long Sault is small, its location along Highway 2 and close to Highway 401 makes it easy to reach larger centers such as Cornwall, Brockville, and Ottawa. This balance of quiet living and convenient access has helped the community grow steadily over the past several decades. The history of the St. Lawrence Seaway continues to influence Long Sault. The project brought new opportunities, new infrastructure, and new communities, but it also required the relocation of thousands of people. The memory of the lost villages remains an important part of local identity, and many families still share stories passed down from earlier generations. Today, Long Sault offers a blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and small-town charm. Whether you are exploring the parkway, learning about the region's past, or simply enjoying the view of the river, the community provides a calm and welcoming experience. Thanks for watching!